be a battle. This is your A-Division final. You've got the Blue Dragon Warriors in lane 1. That's the police department. Rolling Thunder in lane 2.
It's a false start.
All right, so now, false start. Looks like it might be a false start, so they're turning around. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. This is it. The final race, the A-Division Championship in the 2010 Montgomery Dragon Boat Races and Festival. Look at that come down the water. Give it early, right in the middle. Look at 2 and 3. That's Rolling Thunder in 2. Fire and Rescue in 3. Outside in 4. The Accounts of the Caribbean. And in 1. That's the police department of the Blue Dragons. But 1, 2, and 3 look close and get the entry to look at lane 2 and 3. In fact, look at Fire and Rescue in lane 3. They now have the lead. It is now lane 3. The greatest Fire and Rescue is saving their best for the last. Can Rolling Thunder match them? Here we go. It's down to 2 boats. It looks like the police department are not up to this, but in lane number 3.
Look at this.
They're going to try to take everybody else out except Fire and Rescue.
The final 100 meters. Lane number 2 is trying to pull it out and lane 3. Fire and Rescue are going to win the A-Division Championship. Police department comes in 3rd. The Accounts of the Caribbean in 4th. Unofficially, the greatest Fire and Rescue, your A-Division champions. They had it when it mattered.
Yeah, that's a lot more water.
So everybody stay right here. Don't go anywhere. We're going to have these guys. Once we get this final official, we're going to have them circle around. We're going to give them a big cheer, just like Fire and Rescue is doing right now.
Looks like they're going to get us wet.
Look at Fire and Rescue. They are having there they are. Unofficial. We'll get the